out to a Golden State, you know. At this point, y'all like family to us. The way y'all always be taking care of us, showing us love. They sent us a letter. Please enjoy these Golden State grinders for your next smoke sesh. Guess what? That smoke sesh is today, 420, our second anniversary.
Yes, sir.
So they just showed these on their page. We're not sure if they're out yet, like in stores, but soon they will be. But yeah, they sent us all these super dope grinders. The embossed logo. Like, these are dope.
Got a little brush with it.
Bag.
You feel me?
Like,
Scrape off your keef.
it's a matte black grinder too. Like, I can't really say I've seen one like this. Like, it's real smooth. So we appreciate that, and you know, we'll be seeing y'all soon.